contents, development, data analysis, and collaborative outreach. Here is a brief overview of what each week will bring you. So, week first, groundwork and field data collection. Your first week will be intensive as you head out into a local communities to collect authentic data. This means first is field visit. You will visit areas known for hazardous labor work activities such as workplace, primary schools, district hospitals, capturing photos, noting real time observation, and speaking with community members. Community assessments, you will also assess the natural and built environments, reviewing schools condition, hospital hygiene, and even the pulse of busy roads to understand how daily life impact our collective well-being. And the third is ethical engagement. Remember, while you are gathering important data, the dignity and rights of every individual you meet must be at the forefront of your approach. And there is some points to note that NGO will not responsible for any kind of misconduct done by you as an intern during the visit. So this is the first week. Now come to week second, collaborative outreach and creative workshop. With the data you have gathered, this week is also about creativity and teamwork. First is donation and outreach. Interns have to engage in donations via social media and local communities. Minimum rupees 500 to get fundraising intern certificate. Collaboration. You will form small teams with your peers to brainstorm short data and begin designing visual contents. Whether it's impactful, infographics, engaging brochures, or compelling social media posts. And the third is content creation. We will have interaction workshop where you will learn to use the tool like Canva, sharpen your content writing skill. And the last one is national seminar preparation. You might even get the opportunity to assist in moderating session, promoting our upcoming seminars on child rights and related issues. Imagine your creative ideas could be a spark that ignites broader communities and engagements. So now let's come to week third, data analysis and report compilation. Now come the deep dive. First is data analysis. You will sift through the rich information collected in week 1. This is your chance to identify trends, uncover hidden stories, and transform raw data into meaningful insights. Second one is report writing. Under our guidance, you will learn how to craft comprehensive reports that not only present findings but also suggest actionable solutions. Your report will be on the cornerstones for the future outreach efforts and policy advocacy. Last but not the least, let's come to week 4, article writing, publication, and reflection in our final stage. So, first is article writing. Inspired by your field work, you will write an in depth article on topic that resonate with you, be it human rights, legal aids, child welfare, and women empowerment. Second can be publication opportunity. Exceptional articles and reports may be featured on our digital platform or even at our national seminars, giving you work spotlight it deserves. Now, wrap up session. We will come together to reflect on the entire experience, discuss challenges,